Hello everyone and welcome to another interview question. So in this video we're gonna go with Python. So don't waste time. Let's start with first question. What are Python's key features? It's interrupted language, it's dynamic typing, it's high-level language, it's portable, it's extensive standard library, and it supports OOP and functional programming. This is number one. Typically they answer you these questions because you should have a college degree or something like that. They will ask you. Number two, what is PEP 8 and why is it important? PEP 8 is a Python enhancement proposal that provides coding style guidelines for Python code to improve readability and consistency. So let's make an example. We make a function here, add underline number, two parameters a and b, and we return a plus b. So I'm gonna print it, add number, 2 plus 2. So let's run it and see what happens. Oh, sorry, 2 parameters. 2 and 2. Let's clear this and let's run it again. It's 4. 2 plus 2, 4. So this is PEP 8, the good example of that. So let's remove this print. Number 3, explain Python's memory management. Sorry, just let me check in recording. Yeah, okay. Explain Python's memory management. First one, uses reference, containing, and garbage collections. Number 2, objects are stored in private heap space. And number 3, it's the memory manager handles allocation. Let's make a diagram for that. That's the code. Reference count, garbage collector, and heap memory. Okay, so when you run the code, the Python counter references being variables, codes, everything, functions, and garbage collector collect all these informations and save it in heap memory. So it's so easy to answer that. Use reference, counting, and garbage collection. Objects are stored in private heap space and the memory manager handles allocation. This is it. And number 4, what is the difference between list and tuple? So it should be diagram again. This is list, and this is tuple. So list is mutable, but tuple is not mutable. The syntax in list, it's like this one. 1, 2, 3. But in tuple, it's look like this. 1, 2, and 3. About the performance. List is so slower. Let me just put it in bracket. And tuple is so faster. So these are the difference. List is mutable, the syntax is like this, and it's slower. Tuple, it's not mutable, the syntax is like this, and it's so faster. So these are the differences. Number 5, explain Python's OOP concept. Python supports. Number 1, class is an object. Number 2, inheritance. Number 3, polymorphisms. Number 4, encapsulation. So let's see an example how this works. Let me create a class here with name it animal. And define, oh, thank you, IntelliSense. Define a sound, self. And I'm gonna return generic sound. And let's create another class here, name it dog, use animal, define sound self, and return bark. So this is how it's work. It's inheritance using creating an animal class and using another class as animal. It's inheritance. So I don't think I can print this, but let's try it. Should be like this. Oh no. No, there's no printable, I think. Just check it. Set the animal. dog. I don't think it's printable now. Yeah. The class is not printable. Okay. This is how the OOP concept is. So, most important thing is inheritance. And let's go to number 6. What are star arcs and crocs? So, used for variable length arguments in function. This is the answer. So, how it works is looks like that. Define example star arcs. Want to use double star here and star KR, sorry, KW, ARGS crocs. So I'm gonna print arcs and I'm gonna print crocs. I don't think shows something. No. It shows the length of variable in a function. So there's no variable here. So let's look like this. The answer is used for a variable length argument in function. Let's go to number 7. What is the difference between is and equal in Python? Is means compress. Sorry, is compares object identity, and equal is compares value. Let me just write it down. This is compares object identity and equal compares values. So I'm gonna show you in a code. So we have a variable here, it's 1 and 2. We have b is equal to a. We have c is equal to 1 and 2. So I'm gonna show you the difference. If you use a equal to c, it's gonna return true. So I'm gonna print it. It's gonna return true because it compares the value, not object identity. But if you print a is c, it returns false because compares object identity. Let's see what happens. First one is true because it's the same, and second one is false. This is the difference between equal and is. So let's move to number 8. Explain list comprehensions with an example. So This is so easy. I'm gonna give you an example. A square is equal to x star star 2 for x in range of like 5. So I'm gonna print a square. What is the problem for x plus 2 for x in range 5? Variable name. So let's see what happens. Unexpected intent. Why? Okay. It's gonna show 0, 1, 4, 9, 16. X 2 and range 5. I'm gonna change range to 6. Let's see what happens. 0, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The range is 6. I mean, 6 items should show. And this is the comprehension. Example of comprehension. Efficient and Pythonic way to generate lists. It's for generating lists instead of using for each everything. It's you can use this list comprehension. Sorry for spelling. And let's go to number 9. How does exception handling work in Python using try except block? In other languages you use try catch, but in this one use try except. Use try. Let's write something that it's not correct. Result, it's equal to 10 divided to 0. It cannot be happen. And except 0 division error as E. And I'm gonna print cannot divide by 0. And I'm going to show you the exception. This is actually the basics. It's not something special. So You see, you cannot divide it by 0. Division by 0, it's exception. It's try catch. Okay, let's go to next one. What are Python decorators? We have two decorators, functions that modify the behavior of other functions. Number 1, create a function, decorator, use func, define wrapper. The arguments, it's empty, and it's gonna print before. So I'm gonna run function here, func here, and I'm gonna print after. Then I'm gonna return wrapper. So this is one type of decoration. It's one of them, and another one is add sign, decorator, define, say, and the line. Hello. I'm gonna print hello too. These two are Python decorators, functions that modify behavior of other functions. This is it. And let's add something else too. Write a function to check if a string is palindrome. So I'm gonna go with that. Define is underline palindrome. It was one of my questions in one of my old interviews. Return s equal s -1, and done. I'm gonna print is that it. So I'm gonna put hello. It's gonna return false. You see that? I'm gonna put radar. It's gonna return true. So this is one of the questions. Write a function to check if a string is palindrome. So in one of my interviews, they asked me these questions. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Join my Instagram. Every video I post on YouTube, you can find it in Instagram too. You can find the link in Instagram too. Follow my TikTok, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share my videos, and I will waiting for your comments. I really appreciate your comments. I will answer as any of comments that I can't, and ask me anything you want, any video you want me to create. I use other programmers if I don't have knowledge about that system or program. I ask another programmer to learn about it. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell, join communities, and waiting for your comments too. Thank you so much.